what it's worth, I'm sorry for hurting you so bad. I've never been good with apologies, but this one needs to be said. It's only after you realize that there's no going back. For what it's worth, I'm sorry for hurting you so bad. And it's only now I'm thinking about what it is that's gone. For what it's worth, I know now I've never been so wrong. And I know that it's too late for me to change a goddamn thing.